Welcome to this induction video for the Choboja membership at the Bright Beings Academy. So you need to navigate yourself to brightbeingsacademy.com if you haven't saved your login link, and it's the easiest way to find it, brightbeingsacademy.com, and then you go to the top right here, login. You can see the login, so you log in, you go through to your membership portal, which is your membership login, and you log in through here. If you're not a member, you can just sign up via the website. Go to Choboja memberships or membership options, you'll find Choboja membership, and you can just sign up and you'll get this, you'll come to this membership login portal. So log in to your membership, and here is where you'll find all your courses. So you won't have the John Jay or the Tudor membership, you'll have the Choboja membership, which is the free membership. Also included in this package, you will have the free meditation, deep breathing meditation course. I would suggest do that one first, and then also included you'll have how to meditate properly course, which I would suggest do that second. These are quite quick courses. This would probably take you an hour or so. This one is over 5 days, this one's over 7 days, which I suggest you do the next one, the induction course to Qigong, which would be over 7 days. So that will give you a really good grounding into where we're going with this Qigong practice that we're getting into. I'll show you this as well up here, up on the top right corner. You've got the communities tab there. We'll go into that in a minute, but first I'll show you what's in the Choboja membership, all the value you'll get, why you should really sign up for this if you're looking to get into Qigong. So the Choboja membership is here. You start the courses here, but there's no drip on it, so it's all open access to you. So you'll be watching this video now, the Choboja membership. And one of the forms we teach in the Qigong classes at the Bright Beings Academy is the Gong basic form. This is a step-by-step guide on how to run the Gong basic form. And then also another Qigong sequence we teach in the Bright Beings Academy is the Ilchi Qigong instruction videos here. We teach that here, so you can learn that step by step. These are very powerful sequences you can take out into parks or do in your front room or do when you get up in the morning to help you really focus your mind on your body and your breath. Next part of the course is on-demand Qigong classes. We have all these different Qigong classes on demand here that you can go through. You can obviously mark your favorites and come back to them, so you can carry on your practice. We have Qigong shorts here, so the Korean style of Qigong, all over body tapping, relaxing your vagus nerve, stretching out your meridians, all sorts of exercises there that you can go through to help you get back into health and vitality. We have Qigong meditations here, Qigong meditations, 3-minute mindful breathing meditations, chakra meditations. So you've got many meditations, also some music there you can meditate to in the background. There's a 35-day meditation challenge, which I would recommend you take up at some point so that you actually go through 35 days of actually practicing meditation. It is so important. The Energy Body series, which goes deeply into the energy body. What is the energy body? How does it work? Very important for us to understand that, because then we understand the nature of our reality a lot better. Also, the Power of Qigong series, it talks about the health and well-being aspects of Qigong, like emotional stability and inner peace, lowering blood pressure and heart health. I've seen so much of that through my 15 years. And enhancing sleep quality and restfulness, keeping you calm, building confidence and strength. So many things Qigong can do for you. I cover all of those in that section. We have armchair Qigong if you want to practice sitting down, or you need to practice sitting down. There are many armchair Qigong practices there for you to go through the classes as well. And the Mindset Mastery series, where we need to get back in control of our mind. Our minds have run away like bolting horses, as it were. So we need to bring our mind back into control, and this will help you intellectually understand it. The physical movements of Qigong will help you physically and emotionally understand it. So that's the Choboja membership. And the community, we'll have a quick look at that. If you look at the community down here, when it comes up, community here, that's a long way of getting into it. The short way is you go up to the right side, and it's just this little tab here where you click on it and you will go through to the membership. So these are all Tudor members at the moment, but there will be Choboja members probably as you see this video. So This will be getting busier and busier as the weeks go on. So this is your membership. You log in here, you can talk about or mention what you feel about spiritual awakening. There's a video, healing is not a straight line, which it isn't. And your class experiences, these are for the live classes. If you're not involved with the Tudor membership, I would obviously suggest you do if you want live classes. But if you don't, you can actually talk about your online on-demand classes in that section there. So that's your membership. So this is it. This is the Choboja membership. So I look forward to seeing you in the academy very soon. Until then, be well and keep shining.